Today, we're going to make one of our pro-test test-tile silicone molds that you can make infinite numbers of plaster molds from and infinite numbers of test tiles.
So we start by one of the more fun things, which is stripping away some old silicone from our bucket. We're using here a smooth-on product, and it's a 2-part silicone mold with a 10-to-1 proportion. So here we've weighed out 10% of part 1 and 1% of part 2. We're then going to mix those together to a homogeneous consistency. And then the instructions recommend degassing the product in a vacuum chamber. I do recommend this step as we've never had a problem with the silicone when we've degassed it. So definitely a huge benefit, and be prepared. It can be a little gross if you're sensitive to that type of thing, but it's also kind of awesome. Bubble, bubble, toil, and trouble. We pull it out. We prepare our mold by spraying it with a release agent. We set it in another container to make sure to catch any spillage. And we pour. Whenever you pour mold, don't pour directly on your casting surface. Pour it on some secondary surface. And then we're going to fill up that mold and let it self-level. It's a slow curing product. It needs at least overnight, so give it some time to settle, and it will self-level. And any air bubbles that get trapped should rise to the surface and pop.